சாந்தி ஒரே நிமிஷத்தில் போட்டுருவாள்.
வருது.
Dear friends, we are going to give you a small demonstration, and today we are happy that we have finished 1275 cases of Puberphonia. Today is 4th November, Saturday 2023. This is our 1275 cases of Puberphonia. Now our main aim is that we want to prove that our idea of Umar, uvula manipulation and resonance treat Puberphonia. So we are aiming to a great extent that how to scientifically that we are able to achieve it. Still we want to give a scientific click to that. That means uvula, we want to prove that it is the organ for treating Puberphonia. Because we know in Puberphonia the vocal cords are normal. So what is the problem? We have found out clearly uvula is the mutated organ. It should be strengthened. So how to strengthen the uvula? Definitely it is mutated, it is silent, hypofunction. So what is the mechanism? So we are increasing energy of the uvula by increasing the weight of the uvula by putting a thread in the uvula. So it not only increase the weight, it increase the vibration, thereby the strength is increased. So now we have to assess that the air that moves in the supravocal tract is how it is deviated to the nose, throat or in the pharynx, how it is strengthened of the organs in the supravocal tract after our therapy. So before therapy, after therapy, we are able to prove that it is successful in 1275 cases of Puberphonia. That chapter is over. So now we want to prove in all the cases what is the energy that is created by the uvula manipulation. Yes, it had given a successful result in 1275 cases. So what are the changes before surgery, before treatment and after treatment? We have recorded the voice, we have recorded the hormone level, we have recorded the activity, all this voice and everything. But scientifically we have to tell what more is needed for the success of our suggestion. So that is very, very important. We have to tell. So the first thing is we thought of utilizing the polysomnography, which is the gold standard for treatment for a diagnosis for snoring. So sleep study, a analyzing machine for snoring. It analyzes sleep-related problem. See, this problem also in relation to the uvula only. They connect different channels with the sensor. The important sensor is oronasal thermal airflow sensor. Oronasal thermal airflow sensor. Second thing is nasal pressure airflow sensor. So nasal cavity, the airflow is measured in cases of sleep apnea. So next they assess with sensor thorax respiratory effect. So how is the respiration in the thorax? And next one is abdominal respiratory effect. They measure by this sensor. And the snoring sensor is there. Then body position sensor, and all these things are built-in channels. So this is the photo electromyography. So we can plot it and bring it to the real account what happened to the level of airflow, the pressure of airflow, and what are the changes happening. It is recorded. This is we gladly tell, this is the gold standard for test for snoring. So I can utilize that. So it is a very, very good. And another is moment detection of the uvula by functional MRI. So this is a very costly affair, but we are able to do few cases. And ultrasound study, it is a very reasonable, cheap only, but it won't give you a correct answer because we have traced with many of the ultrasound specialists and we are not able to do it. And then what more we can do? See, what we want is the air pressure in the larynx and pharynx, the air pressure in the mouth, air detection. What happened to the uvula when uvula is activated? Speech producing and air circulating in the mouth cavity. How it circulates? Very interesting thing. And the tissue reaction also we have to find out. So this, when I refer the literature, there are many evidence, they are making some effort in it. The commercial electromagnetic articulography is available. This is what Americans follow. So electromagnetic articulography. So this is actually a mag track, and it is a wearable glass with other electronic attachment, and it is on the process of research only, and it is a potential application by which we are able to get the generated energy of all the supravocal tract tissues. So we can know what happened, but still I should be able to do it personally, then only our research point will have a genuine attachment with the research. Then another thing is Japanese. Yoshiyasu. See, he is doing a great effort how to find out the structural movement in the mouth, soft palate, uvula and other thing in relation to the speech. In this study, they do the motion recording of the inner part of the mouth by definitely sensor is there. They use antenna. So with this antenna, they will be able to catch the airflow. So that we can, they say it is a radar, that's all. So the radar will detect whether the flight is coming, flight is going, how much speed, everything. So they make a radar and it moves and it records the internal organs movements. So America, they use magnetic resonance. Japanese, they use radar system. But this is not used for our purpose. They assess the oral cavity, nasal cavity, laryngeal, different pressures. So the available to us in India is functional MRI only. That we have done many cases, and we are able to prove that uvula is more active than vocal cord. So vocal cord only vibrates and makes sound. Uvula is the structure that produces each words. Very simple explanation I can make. See, this small organ, it makes noise. Okay. This is similar to mouthpiece of an Adaswara. But if you want to really make words in it, you have to attach another tune. The holes we have to close and open. It may be in the range of Sarigama Padanisa. Okay? So that is only the recognize the words, and then you can manipulate and bring any words. This work is done by uvula. The sound energy is produced by the uvula, by the vocal cord, but modification of the sound energy into words is only by uvula. It closes the oropharynx, it closes naropharynx, and even it touches the epiglottis and direct the air. So these two things I want to prove. One is airflow in different chambers. Second is structural changes. So I will try to tell what happened to our research. If anybody is interested in helping these in doing the instrumentation for these things, we are happy. This is only one part. Another part is how much Puberphonia cases are available in the earth, how much cases are available in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, all over the world. That also we have to do it, because we are the only pioneers. So I don't know to whom I have to contact. The treatment is successful, okay, that is accepted, agreed. But we have to prove that vocal cord only vibrate and make noise. It is a noise box. The real voice box is in the pharynx and mouth cavity and nasal cavity, not in the larynx. This is a very big achievement. We'll hope to achieve it. I am trying to contact many scientists. Every day almost I am contacting them. I hope I will get it, and soon we'll get a good result. Thank you, great. We'll meet next Saturday. Thank you, great, great, great. Very valuable.